Here's the things you should do after sex. First, wash up. Giving yourself a light shower or bath after engaging in sexual activity helps prevent both men and women from infections, including those of the urinary tract. Warm plain water should be used to clean the area around your genitalia, but not the area itself. Second, don't dodge. Some women believe they must clean their vagina after sex with water or prepared fluids. Dodging can spread diseases. It disrupts vaginal bacteria equilibrium after intercourse. Let your vagina clean itself. Remember that a slight smell may not be a problem. Third, keep cleanup simple. Drugstore sells dodges, wipes, lotions, and sprays to freshen up your personal areas. Some contain harsh soaps, shampoos, fragrances, or lotions that cause breakouts. After intercourse, rinse gently with warm water. If you get infections, avoid scented tampons, pads, powders, and sprays. Fourth, empty your bladder. The urethra, the organ responsible for releasing urine from the body, is a potential entry point for bacteria during sexual activity. This can increase the likelihood of infection. Urination eliminates the pathogens. Fifth, drink a glass of water. Don't forget to hydrate after you've been rolling around in the hay. Keeping yourself hydrated will increase the volume and frequency of your urination, flushing away more bacteria before they can cause infection. 6. Wash your hands. It is the most effective method for eliminating any bacteria that you may have picked up by touching your own or your partner's genitals. This is essential to preventing the spread of illnesses. You should make using soap and water to wash a part of your routine for cleaning up after having sexual activity. 7. Clean your sex toys. After each usage, give each toy a thorough washing. Follow the care instructions included with the product. If you don't want to spread germs to other people, don't exchange toys with them. Shared toys should be protected with a fresh condom each time they are used.